You do not need to spend crazy amount of money to make your first batch of soap. And here is how. To make soap, you need, first of all, ingredients. In ingredients, you need oil, lye, and water. Oil and lye, of course, you will have to buy depending on what recipe you're trying to follow. And water, you have available at home. You can use your tap water or bottled water, whatever you have available, you can try that. Number 2, supplies. In supplies, you need plastic container, silicone spatula, stick blender, and a mold. For plastic containers, you can always use the containers that Chinese food comes in or the yogurt containers. So those are all good to mix all the oil and lye because they are number 5 plastic and you can use any number 5 plastic to make your batch of soap. Silicone spatula, I'm sure you have something laying around that you can use, but make sure do not use any of these things again in your kitchen after making soap and keep it especially for soap making. Then comes stick blender. Now if you already have a stick blender and you are looking to upgrade, you can just use that one, or you can buy a stick blender. There is an Amazon link, and that is the stick blender that I have been using since 2017 when I made my first batch of soap. So it is still going good. It is inexpensive. If you want, you can use my link and buy that. Then a mold that you need to pour your soap batter in. For the mold, you can use any of the cardboard boxes that you receive your packages in. I'm sure you buy a lot of stuff online and you have some packages laying around. So any of the cardboard box that can contain the amount of soap that you made. So you can use any of them and just make sure you line it with parchment paper before you pour the soap in. And if you need a recipe, I have put the recipe in the comment section for you to try for your first batch of soap. So I'll see you around. Bye-bye.